Alright guys, coming at you today, I'm going to show you how to put these T-top seals in the car. So I got the trim piece here, and it's another piece that goes here. Now on the back of this, I'm not going to put this in because I'm not putting these T-top seals in permanently. I just want to put them up on here so they'll kind of stretch out and be set, so when I, get everything ready, the T-top seals will be stretched out already. Then I can put the glue, in these areas and around the T-tops up here to hold the seal in place permanently. But when I do that, it'll be a black double stick foam in here to help stop leakage down in this area. And that's what should be there. Now I might not do that, seeing that I won't really be driving this car in the rain, and then that'll let this stay dry in between here. So I'm debating on whether or not I'm gonna put something back here, because you put something in between here, if water get behind it, it could start rusting out. But hey, this car came from the south. It wasn't seeing no salt. I took the original stuff off. Pillars, everything in real good condition. So, alright, so first off, this piece I already painted it. I'll probably go over it again when I get ready to paint the car, but seeing that the door is going to hide this, I'll probably take this off and go that route with this. But you want to put that piece in first. Like I said, it would be normally we'll put something in between there to stop this from leaking. But you just want to come in and put this up here where you want it. Alright, so I got this piece in, and I did the video before showing you how to put the trim pieces in here. Now this piece here, I had to weld, spot weld in here, because those holes in there was just, they wouldn't tighten down, so I had to weld in there. So now I gotta get the drill and drill out holes, then I can get this piece in place. Then the T-top seals are ready to be put on. Now I'm not gonna show you here, but I use just the final cleaner that I use. So when I'm painting the car, I guess you could use lacquer thinner, whatever you want to use. But I gotta clean this all out, make sure it's all clean. So when I finally put these in here, I actually do it again. So that way when I glue in here, to glue these T-top seals in, I know back in the day they put a slight amount of glue in these channels. But I'm probably gonna go heavy, hopefully it'll help it stop from leaking. But these T-tops always leak, man. They just, from what I hear, everybody had horror stories about these. So the good thing is I won't really be driving this car in the rain, so that much if I get caught with it out one day. But trust me, I'll be checking the Weather Channel pretty good here, guys. So then I'm gonna come back in a minute. I'm gonna show you how to put these T-tops in. It's pretty simple, but you just want to stretch it one way and stretch it the other, because back around these channels back in here, these curves, it seemed to, and then you come in at this point here and then this point here, and you think you don't got enough room, so you gotta pull that T-top and let it stretch. And that's why I want to put these in here, then put the T-top glasses in here and let it start settling this, and then I'm gonna come in and do my headliner up in here. Alright guys, so first I want to start off here. They got clips that they give you, a steel rubber, and push those clips in there. I gotta get a screwdriver here. Alright, so really, as you see, these seals have like 2 lips. It's actually a small lip in there, and you might not think that matter, but it does. So like I said, I want to put these in, but I want to stretch them enough so they go right into there. So that's what I'm shooting for, is to get this up far enough where I can get them in. So then after that, I'm just pushing this rubber in, but also I want to push in down here on this back side. All right, throw my little rag towel down here so I can step in here and not be messing up my painted surfaces. Okay, cause see, something else, guys, I'm gonna have to, another reason I don't want to permanently put this in, because when I put the headliner in, I want to pour this back out, because I want to get this flapped over and glued onto that headliner. Now, it's been so long since I took these out that honestly, I took a bunch of pictures, but I wonder if I took pictures of the headliner. But I might have to see if one of you guys got pictures of your T-top car that I can look at some pictures and see how the T-tops look in there. All right, so let me bring you in close here. Now, if you see right in here, see that gap? I'm using one hand here trying to do this, but that T-top seal ain't all the way down in there. Now, once I get that pressed all the way in, see how that pull right up to the end of there? So that's how you know if you got this pressed down in here right. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this back out, and I'm actually gonna come in and start the T-top seals right here next, and I'm gonna leave that middle. I'm gonna leave that middle undone. So I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna start the T-top seals, get these T-top seals in this corner first. Okay? And the reason that is because, like I said, when you come in here, this around here ain't gonna fit in there right. So what I want to do is get this where I need it, and then I want to work and stretch this around. Alright, so what's going on here is that I want to put this corner in here first, and then I want to come see how this is not it's not coming in all the way over here, so I want to stretch this around. All right, so I want to stretch this around. I want to stretch this back this way. Then I come in on this side and make sure that this bottom outer is in there good too.
Chapter 20. And after the uproar was ceased, Paul called unto him the disciples, and embraced them, and departed for to go to Macedonia. And when he had gone over those parts, and had given them much exhortation,
now see, this end here is still not,
there abode 3 months.
it's still not coming in where it needs to come.
He purposed to return through Macedonia.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this back out, and then I'm going to pull from this other side, I'm going to pull this way
and we sailed away from Philippi after the days of unleavened bread
towards the front of the car.
in 5 days, where we abode 7 days. And upon the first day of the week, when the disciples came together
to make sure
Paul preached unto them, ready to depart on the morrow, and continued his speech until midnight. And there were many lights in the
that I'm getting enough in this corner, because the main thing is these corners is what you want to have put in and make sure they go right where they need to go.
Trouble not yourselves, for his life is in him. When he therefore was come up again, and had broken bread and eaten, and talked a long while, even till break of day, so he departed. And they brought the young man alive, and were not
Still not where I want it to be, so
and we went before the ship,
and pull it back out,
there intending to take in
and I'm going to stretch this rubber a little bit more,
to go afoot. And when he met with us at Assos, we took him in and came to the
because it's got to fit down in this
and came the next day over against
corner
Chios.
here
And the next day we arrived at Samos,
and
tarried
fit
for
right
the
up against that
next
lip
day,
uniform
for Paul had determined to sail by
for it to look
and so
right.
did not spend the time in Asia. For
There we go. Okay, so now that T-top seal is in there. I can still work on it a little bit. Getting this down in here a little bit, but like I say, this is not permanent in here, so I'm just gonna sit these in here, put the T-top in here, latch them down, and let this these seals kind of flatten out some. So when I get ready to put them in there permanently, they'll be stretched out. Now this is in here. Now down here, you see the little hole there? It's not a hole punched out in here, but I punched that out myself, get that clipped down. But otherwise, guys, these T-top seals, I'm gonna work on them just a little bit more. Like I say, these are not permanent, so they're not permanent at all. So like this here is twisting. When I come to put this in permanently, this will be glued down. All right, so it is pieces that go in like right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Going that way, but it is pieces that go in here that I got to put on here. But like I said, I'm not putting these in permanently yet, so I'm not gonna put all of this stuff in here just yet. So like I say, but that's how these go in, guys. That's how they go in. All right. Hey guys, coming at you here today. I'm finishing up this video, and I just wanted to say that the second generation Hurst T-top seals will fit your Grand Prix, your Monte Carlos, your Cutlass Supremes, Century, Regal, anything with that second generation Hurst T-top. Now, back 4 or 5 years ago, I had to shut that build down. My showstopper should have been done by now. But seeing the fact that I couldn't find those T-top seals, I just didn't go no farther with it. But one of the guys on the Facebook group, one of the Century, you know, Facebook groups there, he let me know which T-tops I need, and I thank you for that. And so I figured out what the T-tops, I tried to order them, but I had to call and talk to them because they have, guys, they have the T-top seals listed under hard top. You know, they don't have it under T-top weather stripping. It's under hard top for the Cutlass Supreme. So if you call about the Regal, the Monte Carlo, they're gonna tell you they don't work, they won't fit. You watch my video, they fit, guys. I mean, and I told them that, and I told them they need to list it under T-tops, because when you look up T-tops, nothing really come up. And but when you look under the Cutlass, you got to do Cutlass Supreme, and then it'll come up, you know, and that part number will get you the right T-top seals, guys, if you watch the video. But I just wanted to come in and let you guys know that, you know, I'm happy I'm back on the build now. So hopefully I'm going to start getting this thing wrapped up, getting the windows put in it, and then maybe it'll be my pick of the month one day soon. So, hey, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Hey, they telling me you guys not watching the whole videos. Come on, guys. Watch the whole videos. And guys, comments are always welcome. You know, you guys give me feedback. If you know anything else, or even if I'm wrong, guys, just let me know. You know, I might get into it with you, but nah. Just let me know. Give me feedback, guys. What do you think? You know, if you like my builds, or you liking the videos,